Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to read data from CSV file using reader object, which is created using reader method present inside CSV module. Steps are simple. We have to import CSV module. We have to open the file which is to be read in read mode. We have to create a reader object. After creating the reader object, we have to iterate over the reader object to print the content of CSV file. In the first cell, we are importing CSV module. In the next cell, next step is you have to open CSV file in read mode. So using with clause and open function, we are opening employee.csv in read mode. So inside with we have open function which is opening employee.csv file. It does not have any mode. By default mode of opening the file will be read. As we are working with CSV file, we have to pass additional parameter. New line is equal to blank if we are creating file object. This statement will open employee.csv file in read mode and information of that file will be available in the file object file handle F. Next step, we are creating a reader object. So using CSV module, we are calling reader method and we are passing file handle F. This will create a reader object which is stored in the variable reader. Next step, we will iterate over this reader object to print the content of CSV file. So this is a normal statement wherein we are showing on the user screen that we are printing the content of CSV file employee. Using this for loop for every row in the reader object, we are printing the row in the user screen. As we have to print it as a comma separated value, we are calling join function on rows. Each row has a parameter on comma operator. So click on the cell, run the cell. You have printed content of file employee.csv on the user screen. If you print directly rows, then they will be fetched as a list and they will be printed on the user screen. So here we are calling print function and we are printing row variable of the reader object. Correct indentation. You can see each row of the CSV file is accessed as a list and printed on the user screen. So inside the program you can access the data from a CSV file and work on it. When the with block for ends and with block ends, file is closed automatically. That's it for today's video. We have seen how to read content from a CSV file using reader object, which is created by using reader method of CSV module. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.